What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on ATER ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company again. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable outcome for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video a couple of days ago, right here at this very point, and I've told you, let me show you right here. We finished all 5 waves of this internal movement, and this was the top of our wave. And I've told you that we have to have a retracement, and this retracement might hit several Fibonacci levels. And we had a very shallow retracement that is barely hit 0.236 level, and poke it through to the level of about $11.1. And from this point we had a good bounce to the upside. And I've told you to enter your position on a red candle, and this was the real candle where you can add it. And let me show you that with this movement, as you can see, from this bottom, we have this retracement to the 4th wave. And it was really shallow, but it's still in play. And we have for this as our 5th wave. And this was the top of our 3rd wave on the bigger scale, and for now we are seeking the bottom of the 4th wave. So as you can see, I nailed all the movements of this ticker in advance, and I will show you in my technical analysis what to expect next. But for now, congratulations to all of you who took this trade and who made about more than 46%, depending on your entry price, to our main target right here. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. Aterian, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a technology-enabled consumer products company in North America and internationally. And I have to say that this company doesn't have impressive numbers. They have a total market cap of $414.66 million. They have a revenue of $216.6 million with a negative net income of $164.02 million. They have very good revenue growth of 42.81%, but their total cash position is only $61.93 million with a total debt of $82.75 million. And because of these numbers of total debt, negative net income and the total cash position, I think this company is not so impressive from the financial standpoint. That is why you have to be cautious if you want to invest in this company for the long term. And let's continue with the latest news. We are on Motley Fool, and right here we have an article that was published on September 14th, and it's titled, "Here's why ATER stock is plummeting." And the key point is only one, and the key points has only one bullet. Short squeeze excitement has powered gains for Aterian stock recently, but the momentum may be fading. And let me quote you several paragraphs. There doesn't appear to be any major business-specific news behind the sell-off today, but it is not surprising to see the company's share price post-volatile swings on the heels of gaining some traction as a meme stock and short squeeze candidate. Investors from Reddit's Wall Street Bets and other investing-focused social media communities bought shares in the e-commerce company in order to trigger a squeeze, but it looks like the push is now collapsing after an impressive surge. And Aterian's short squeeze rally may prove to be short-lived compared to meme stock favorites like GameStop and AMC. Even so, the company's stock is still up roughly 171% over the last month and 42.5% over the last year. And let me show you that this ticker is among the list of most watched tickers on stock tweets, and it has a 5th position. Right here on KeyWordCount.com, we don't have this ticker among the top list of most mentioned tickers, and it has only 24, as you can see. ATER has only 24 mentions according to this source. And on member terminal we also have this ticker, but it has, let me show you, the position with the 100 mentions, and the volume is fading out. As you can see, it has negative 28.57% of mentions around the last 7 days. So this means we have to be cautious, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, I nailed the entire movement to the upside, and I missed with the movement only 10%, and it is totally okay. It is better to have proven profits of about 45% than to lose entire amount of your money. And right here, as you can see, I nailed it by using this tool. I use the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top, and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And I knew how to measure it because I made a real breakdown according to Elliott wave theory, and I knew what should be the next movement of this stock. So let me show you one more interesting thing. As you can see, we have from this bottom, from our entry point, this movement to the upside. And this movement also has 5 waves structure in it. And it is very technical, I have to say. So, and right here, as you can see, we have a massive decline in price for more than 46% to our current level. And I don't need this tool anymore. We will project new targets in a matter of a couple of minutes. So, and right here, as you can see, we hit the level of around $10, $10.6 mark, and we have very good resistance slash support right here at this very point. I don't need this tool anymore for now, and let's mark this support slash resistance in order to realize what level we shouldn't break with the price action. So, and let me show you one more interesting point. If I pull Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, to retrace the entire movement right here, the entire third wave, as you can see, we have very good confluence level of 0.618 and 0.65. It is a golden pocket. Statistically, it is the most probable level of trend reversal. And as you can see, it has a confluence level with this previous top, and that is why I think today we will see at least a reaction to the upside in order to unload this movement to the downside. And as you can see, we almost formed all 5 waves, all 5 wave structure, and that is why this A wave should be formed, and usually retracement has to have a form of a simple zigzag, and potentially we might have this bottom right here, or we might have a slightly lower price action with the random wick below the level of $10.2, and this will be our A wave. Then we have to have a retracement to our B wave, and potentially we might have a C wave that might land at the same level at the bottom of the A wave, and in this case we will have double bottom, very bullish pattern. We might have a truncated C wave that is higher than bottom of the A wave, or we might have an extension in C wave and we might land somewhere lower. We don't know for now because we don't have a major pivot point of this point. And how to project this level? If it is the real bottom, if we want to see lower price action from this level, I can project using the Fibonacci retracement tool this movement to the downside. And we also have certain targets. First of all, we might hit a level of 12.75 and 14.06, and these levels will be the most probable level of bounce back if we will have one more leg to the downside. Otherwise, if it is the real bottom of entire retracement from this top to this bottom, this means we might have a trend reversal right here, and we can hit our targets that is highly above this previous swing high. So, and what to expect next? In my opinion, if you want to enter the position with this company, just be extremely cautious. As you can see, the support from Wall Street Bets community and retail investors is fading out. That is why you have to be cautious. But in case if you will see the trend continuation, our target might be following. So let me clean the chart a little bit. I don't need unnecessary tools for now. And to project our next target, I pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And if this is the real bottom, if we won't see lower price action, we might have following targets. The most probable level of landing our fifth wave is right here at $21.94. Let me show it to you right here. It is the first target. And next one might be one-to-one extension, and it is right here at $24.98. So, and first of all, we have to break all the resistances that are above our current price, and the main resistance is definitely this level of 19.55, previous swing high, and that is why if we will see a bounce to the upside and we will exceed the levels of 0.382, let me show you again, 0.236 and 0.382. So if we will exceed the level of $14.06, next resistance will be at golden pocket at around $16.3, and next one will be this previous swing high. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious with this very volatile asset, and congratulations to all of you who took this trade. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.